The weather has been pretty nice the past several days. Kind of makes you want to raise the roof, doesn't it? How about cleaning the roof instead? Moore's DIY expert Eric G is showing us how. Check it out.
After the winter we've had, you gotta pay attention to your roof. This time of year, it's a great time to dive in. We're just getting into the warmth of the summertime. Don't get on a wet roof. Number one, keep it safe. So when you're up on your roof, take a look at a few things. Take a look at your gutters. And you know something? They can be coming away from the house. It doesn't take much for snow to pull these back away. Now's the time to fix them. One thing here we're trying to do is to protect this roof and make it last a long time. Mold, mildew, moss, those are the things that really start to dive in and do some damage. Let's take a look at this roof and see what we need to do to make it hold and last. You know, when you're dealing with roofs, one of the biggest mistakes you can do is to jump up here with a pressure washer. All of this granule is what holds this roof up and makes it last its 20, 30, 40, 50 years. You remove that granule, you're ruining your roof. So if you're gonna have that done, hire a professional, hire a roofing professional come in and to properly clean the roof. There's a lot of things you can do as a homeowner. That's what makes this a great DIY project.
All right, let her rip.
All right, sometimes you've got roofs like this one here where it's a little steep that you're not very comfortable in getting up. This can be a really good answer. It's a hose end sprayer that you basically just connect onto the end of your hose and carefully spray and wet the entire side of the roof. That will get that chemical out there and actually kill the moss, and then when it dies, it'll fall off the roof. A couple things to be careful of this. This stuff can be slippery, so if you're standing on a lower roof, make sure that you're doing it in a dry area. And two, always watch out for power lines if you've got them coming in. This can be a very dangerous situation. So this is one easy way to do it. Sometimes you can even do it from the ground. One of the easiest home maintenance tips is just to use one of the powders. Get up on the roof and you can just put it across the very top of the roof and you just dust this stuff out. It's really easy. You're just gonna sit here and dust it out, and when the rain comes, it's just gonna wash it down, and that will end up killing the moss, mildew, and get you a bright looking roof again. A very simple, easy, and safe way to do it. One thing to keep in mind with children, pets, and the environment, many of these roof products that actually keep this stuff from growing are toxic, so you gotta be very careful. Spend a lot of time, read the directions. They will tell you where you can use it and where you can't. Now, one of the easiest, but it takes a little bit more time, is one of these, like this one here. It is actually just a zinc strip that you're gonna nail across the very top ridge of your house. Takes a little bit of time, nail it across that. When the rain hits that, it washes the zinc particles off. That zinc will wash down the roof over time and kill the moss. It's really your only great permanent solution for a number of years to keep that moss and mildew off your roof. Maintaining that roof is just a pretty easy DIY project, but you gotta be safe and smart about it. That only took us, what, 20 minutes to knock that out. It's really easy. Get the right products, make sure it's safe for the kiddos and the pets, and you'll have a roof that's gonna last a lot longer than if you didn't do anything about it.